Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Dodge Dart headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cooled down. You'll need a few basic tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a 10 mm socket. Safety is key, so take your time and work carefully. This process is straightforward, and you can definitely do it yourself with these simple steps. Let's get started on getting those headlights shining bright again. Now let's access the headlight. You'll find two 10 mm bolts on top of the headlight assembly. Carefully remove these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight unit forward. It's held in place by a few clips, so a firm but gentle tug should release it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the assembly to fully free it. With the headlight assembly free, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly before twisting it clockwise to lock it in place. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to the headlight assembly. Carefully slide the assembly back into its mounting clips until it's securely seated. Then, reinsert and tighten the two 10 mm bolts you removed earlier. Once everything is back in place, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight bulb to confirm it's working correctly. You've successfully replaced your Dodge Dart headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.